Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I have come up with this inspired makeup look of Deepika Padukone. Recently she won this award for HD India's Most Stylish Award, and she was wearing this makeup look with a very gorgeous pink Kanjivaram sari. So I thought of creating this makeup look for you guys. I hope you guys will surely enjoy. This is a very easy to recreate makeup look, and if you do, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. I personally love recreating celebrity makeup looks, so here it is. I hope you guys will surely enjoy. So yeah, let's not further ado, please get into this video. So first I'll prep my lips, and for that I am going with Baby Lip Balm from Maybelline. So today I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer just to conceal out my eyes. I'm going to work with very dark eyeshadows, so I'm going to start with my eyes first and then I'll move on to the other parts of my face. So I'm going to conceal my eyelids with this. So I'm getting a nice canvas to work with. And now I'm going to blend this out with a large blending brush. So first I'll go with this light brown eyeshadow from Maybelline Nudes palette, and I'm going with this on the crease area. And even I'm making a V on the outer corner. And then I'm going with this brown right here. This is a dark brown shade from the same palette, and I'm just going with this on the crease, concentrating on the outer V, and then I'm taking this all the way in. And just because my eyes are looking very cool toned, I just want to warm it up a bit. I'm going with Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze Brighten Flesh Palette Bronzer shade. And I'm just going with this again on the crease area and just blending with both the colors. And now for the black base, I'm going for this Lakme Kajal, and this is from the classic range. And I'm applying this all over my lids. And now to set my black base, I'm going with this black shadow from Maybelline Nudes palette again. And I'm just going to set this. And now I'm just going to blend this out. You really need to blend this well because this is a key to this look. If it's not going to be nicely blended, it's not going to look nice. So after the eyeshadow, you really need to dust all the fallouts if you have any. I had really massive fallout, so I had to remove it with a makeup remover. And now I'm going for the makeup primer, and for that I'm going with this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. And I'm going to evenly apply this all over my face, on the T-zone especially. And now for my foundation, I'm going with this L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And now I'm just going to buff this in. Even whatever is left on my brush, I'll go with this on the neck area. And now again I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to conceal and even highlight my face with this. And I'm going with this on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow around my mouth, on the chin, and even underneath my eyes. And even I'm going with this on the arch of my brows. And again I'm going to just blend this out. And now I'm going to set all the areas where I have concealed and highlighted. I'm going with this LA Girl Pro High Definition HD powder. And this has got no color in it, it's just the translucent powder. And I'm just going to dust this on the areas I have concealed. And now for filling up my brows, I'm going with this LA Girl Inspired Brow Kit. And I'll go with the wax first. And I'm just going to set my brows with this. And now for filling my brows, I'm going with this brown shade, the light brown one. Deepika, she had a very brownish eyebrows going on, so I'm just going to do the same. And now I'm just going to fill it in. And now I'm just going to comb through my brows. Now I'm going to bronze up my face. As I have seen in the pictures of Deepika, she did not have a very sharp contouring going on, but then she definitely had a very beautiful sort of sun-kissed look. And for that I'm just going with a bronzer. I'm going with this shade from here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And now I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. Just because I don't have a sharp nose as Deepika's, I'm going with this right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt Powder. I'm going with the contour shade. And I'm just going to carve out my nose. So this is how it turned out after the little warmth to my face with the bronzer, and now I'm just going to move on to tight lining and water lining my eyes. And for that I'll go with my favorite Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And now to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm again going with that black eyeshadow. And I'm just going to smoke this out. Deepika, she had a very intense black smoky lower lash line, so I'm just going to create that. And even I'm going with this brown shadow just to smoke out further. And I'm just going on this area. I'm not touching the black. Now I'm going to curl up my lashes. And now I'm just going to finish off my eyes with some mascara. And for that I'm going with this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the upper and even on the bottom lashes. So I'm just done with my eyes. If you wish, you can definitely go with falsies. I just don't want to go with it. I just applied some mascara and I'm sorted out with it. So now for the blusher, I'm moving on to Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette, and I'm going with this shade right here. This is a very earthy brownish color. Like Deepika, she had a very light flush of color, so I'm just going with this. And I'm going with this lightly on the apples of my cheeks. And now for my highlighter, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. Unfortunately, this is broken. And just because Deepika, she had a very gorgeous highlighted looking face, so I'm going with this. And I'm just going with this on the highest points of my face. Now for lining up my lips, I'm going with this NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Pink. Now for the lipstick, as I have seen Deepika, she had a very pinkish brownish lipstick, so I thought of going with this Maybelline Color Show in the shade Mysterious Mocha. This is a very brownish pinkish nude, so I think this will work. I'm going to apply this with a brush. So guys, this is my take on this look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did it, please don't forget to hit this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and even you can comment down below and let me know if you like such kind of videos, if you want me to do more celebrity looks. So I'll surely do it for you guys, and that's it for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, I love you all. Take care. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.